Good morning, my friends. By special request, we're back on the portal, and we're taking a look at how to generate a cumulative attendance report. The excitement never ends. So, starting at the top, we scroll down to Portal Services, and we need to click on Reports, which may or may not work. And it worked after we allowed some flash. So, you get one option, and this is the option you want. You then log on. You can see it spinning up here. Don't click it multiple times. That kind of makes it a bit messy. Look for the secret swirly up here. And we refresh. And it's loading, and it's been stuck at 9 seconds for a long time. These are the longest 9 seconds I've ever seen. It does take a bit. Our options load up. Hooray! We're there. Now, previously, it was fastest just to find your name and click on that and bring up the records associated with your name, but that may not be the best way, as a number of my classes are not attached to my name. So you may want to select Foundations and then select your campus, and surprise, surprise, there's the men's campus faculty, and you may want to choose the CRN for your particular class, if you can remember it. Now, to get your cumulative average, you have to slide over to the side, and it's here. This stands for cumulative absence percentage, and that gives you the total percentage. Now, up here at the top, you do have some features you can use which might make life a little easier. The Save menu, the Print menu, and, if we can find it, is the Export menu, which is right here. And you can actually export this as an Excel sheet or a PDF, which might make it a little easier for your records or for you to manipulate and make reports for your students. There is no automatic reporting, so you have to do this on your own. So let's close this, and we'll just quickly go through it one more time. Back to the portal, Portal Services, Reports. Enable Flash if you have to. Click your one option. Live those 9 seconds. Oh, we're just started automatically from 9 seconds. Load up the page. Load up the page. Come on, page, you can load. Look at you go. I apologize for making you live through this again, but it's good. Oh, there we go. And then up at the top, select your campus, maybe select your course. If you can find your course, if you need to select your division, if you know your CRN, you can't trust that your name has been attached to all of your classes. You may have only been attached to the primary class, or maybe even not in that case. So track them down, scroll over to the cumulative percentage, and your export is up here if you need to export. Good luck, and take care out there.